Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car lifts for home garages that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to upgrade your DIY auto repair setup or simply make garage maintenance more efficient, then this video is for you. You can check out the product link descriptions below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Auto Expert Jack Rubber Pad Anti-Slip Rail Adapter Support Block. While not a traditional car lift, this innovative tool is perfect for protecting your vehicle's undercarriage during jack operations. Its universal fit makes it compatible with most vehicles, including popular models like Honda, Toyota, Nissan, and Mazda. Made from durable wear-resistant material, this pad absorbs pressure and prevents damage to the car's side skirts and chassis, making it a great addition to any DIY mechanic's toolkit. The design is simple, yet effective. The rubber pad fits snugly into the jack point hole, ensuring secure placement. It also comes with a handy storage bag to keep the pad protected and organized when not in use. While its compact size and lightweight nature make it easy to store and transport, this product is best suited for lighter maintenance tasks rather than heavy-duty lifting. The Auto Expert Jack Pad is ideal for users looking for a reliable jack accessory to complement their existing setup. However, keep in mind that this is not a standalone car lift, but rather an enhancement for jacking operations. Pros include its durability, ease of use, and universal compatibility. On the downside, it's not suitable for lifting heavy loads or full vehicle access. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to keep your car's undercarriage safe during jack operations, this could be a great fit for you. At number 4, we have the MaxxHaul low-profile car ramps. Designed specifically for low-chassis vehicles, these ramps provide a compact and lightweight solution for raising your car just enough to access the underside for maintenance. With a slope angle of 17 degrees and a lifting height of 2.6 inches, these ramps are perfect for sports cars, tuners, and other low-profile vehicles. The honeycomb design enhances tire grip, while the non-slip pads at the base keep the ramps securely in place during operation. The build quality is impressive, made from impact-resistant PP material for durability and long-term use. The ramps also feature a drainage design to prevent moisture buildup and tire slippage, which is a thoughtful addition for safety. These ramps weigh just 5.3 pounds per pair, making them highly portable and easy to store. However, their compact size limits their use to smaller repair tasks, such as placing a jack or performing inspections. Overall, the MaxxHaul car ramps are a great choice for users who frequently work on low-height vehicles. They're lightweight, durable, and easy to use, making them an excellent option for home garages and even professional service centers. On the downside, their lifting height of 2.6 inches may not be sufficient for larger repair projects. But if you're looking for a safe and efficient way to work on low-profile vehicles, these ramps deliver great value. Taking the third spot is the MaxxHaul 50515 6.25-inch lift car ramps. These ramps are engineered for heavy-duty use with a combined weight capacity of 6,500 pounds per pair, making them suitable for larger vehicles such as SUVs and trucks. With a lift height of 6.25 inches, they provide solid access to your vehicle's underside, perfect for oil changes, inspections, and other maintenance tasks. The deep-ridged surface ensures tire stability, while the rubber stops at the base prevent slipping during operation. Constructed from heavy-duty plastic, these ramps offer a lightweight yet sturdy solution for home garages. At 20.1 pounds per pair, they strike a balance between portability and durability. The long ramp design accommodates a wide range of tire sizes, making them versatile for various vehicle types. However, their non-foldable design may be a minor inconvenience for storage. The MaxxHaul ramps are best suited for users who need a reliable and robust solution for light to medium vehicle repairs. Their pros include high weight capacity, stable tire placement, and durable construction. On the flip side, they're not ideal for extremely low-profile vehicles due to their steeper incline. If you're looking for a dependable set of heavy-duty ramps for your home garage, The MaxxHaul 50515 is a solid choice. In the runner-up position, we have the DMC FPPS 8,500 pounds 4-post parking lift. This heavy-duty lift is designed for serious garage setups with an impressive lifting capacity of 8,500 pounds. Its 4-post construction ensures exceptional stability, making it suitable for workshops, maintenance shops, and home garages with larger lifting needs. The lift operates on a 110V hydraulic system and features single-point manual safety lock release, giving you full control over its operation. One standout feature is its caster kit, which allows you to move the lift around your garage for optimal positioning. Additionally, the lift includes primary and secondary safety locks for enhanced security during use. While the build quality is top-notch, it's worth noting that unloading this lift requires a forklift or tractor, which could be a challenge for some home users. The lift also comes with a 3-year parts replacement warranty, adding peace of mind to your purchase. The DMC FPPS 4-post lift is perfect for users who need a robust and versatile solution for vehicle lifting and storage. Pros include its high lifting capacity, caster kit for mobility, and safety features. However, the need for heavy equipment for setup and its larger footprint may be drawbacks for smaller garages. If you're serious about upgrading your garage for professional-level tasks, this lift is a fantastic investment. Finally, taking the top spot is the HP DMC 15,000 pounds 4-post car lift. This premium lift is the ultimate solution for home garages and professional repair shops, boasting an impressive lifting capacity of 15,000 pounds. It features a max lifting height of 92.52 inches, making it ideal for working on vans, SUVs, trucks, and other large vehicles. The sturdy construction includes 85.63-inch posts and an overall width of 136.06 inches, ensuring maximum stability and safety during operation. This lift also comes with a rolling jack that has a 6,000-pound lifting capacity, adding even more versatility to your setup. The included turntables allow for precise wheel alignment, making it a fantastic choice for professional auto shops. However, customers should note that unloading requires a forklift or tractor, and the lift's size may be challenging for smaller garage spaces. CE certification adds credibility to its safety and reliability, making it suitable for high-stakes environments. The HP DMC 4-post car lift is the pinnacle of automotive lifts, offering unmatched performance, build quality, and versatility. Pros include its high weight capacity, rolling jack for added functionality, and turntables for wheel alignment. The cons are its larger footprint and unloading equipment requirements, which may not suit every user. If you're looking for the best of the best for your garage or workshop, the HP DMC lift is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.